Hi everybody, welcome to the Violent Rowan channel. I'm Bam, you'll know me from our Shooting the Shift podcast. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video from our affiliate Bonner Fitz. We joined their affiliate program really recently and I ordered this mystery box before we signed up for that. So we wanted to make sure that we weren't getting any beneficial treatment that we were going to do this, and we didn't tell them we were going to do a video until we joined and applied for their affiliate program. So everything in this is things that you yourself can get in the mystery box. The mystery box costs £39.99. Right, so it's a nice cheap box. You're guaranteed to get £65 worth of product as a minimum in that box. Okay, so the package arrived wrapped up in packing tape, as is normal. And the reason for that is there are two parts to this package as it's arrived. So this box, I've got a suspicion that I know this is one of their wax sets, maybe. They're pretty high value, really nice looking box there. So what I'm going to do, I am just going to put that to one side for a moment. We are going to grab the trusty knife from the Christmas special and we are going to pop some tape open on this box. If I can slice my way through a little bit. There we go. And nicely packaged. All good. So as we get into the box, we will just get rid of that. We have the face mask that I told you that I'd ordered as well. So one of the things I've been doing to support some of the smaller businesses in the car community is order things like this face mask. So it's just a nice, comfortable fitting face mask that will do me for going out and about and in public. Now, opening into the main box, we have 5 spray nozzles. So we absolutely guarantee we're getting 5 spray bottles in that box. I think, it makes sense that we now dip into what we've got. So the first bottle out is some Cockpit Detailer here. Now this is tropical coconut scented. You might not have spotted that on the camera. And it smells just like Palmer's coconut butter. Now that's what I used to heal my tattoos actually at Amy's recommendation. So smells just like Palmer's coconut butter if you know that. Lovely smelling product, absolutely great to see that. That is normally £11.99 on their website. The next thing down that we have is some cola scented rim cleaner. So their rim cleaner is a fallout remover as well. Now the thing that I've always noticed with fallout removers is no one really scents them and they smell very, very strongly chemically. Everything from Bonner Fitz is scented. So quick with that slight cola twinge to it, a little bit of the normal chemical smell that you'd expect from a fallout remover, but nowhere near as harsh on the nose. The fact that I could sniff this probably tells you quite a lot about it. You will have noticed so far as well that everything comes in a metal bottle. Now you can return the bottles for £2 off any future orders. That will allow you to do a little bit of not putting as much plastic into the waste bin. The rim cleaner, that is £11.99. The next thing to come out of the box, if I just flip the packaging over, is gonna be some gingerbread quick detailer. If we can just get the glare off the camera on that, it's quite difficult because of the bottle. So that is the gingerbread quick detailer, and I use this myself quite a bit. It shows just a lovely, nice, fresh baked gingerbread smell out of that. Quite lucky that Amy cooks a lot in the house and I get to smell those nice smells on a regular basis. The next thing in the box, if I can just get this free of the side, is another quick detailer. This time though, it's the Candy Floss scented ceramic quick detailer. Now this is one that I've been meaning to try for a while. I've not tried it myself yet. Again, that scent. So this reminds me of candy floss flavouring smell from the 80s. Okay. Brilliant smell, brings back childhood memories, all that good stuff. That bottle itself is £13.99 on their website. And then we've got one more bottle. We're on bottle 4 that we've just pulled out. So here is bottle 5. We'll get rid of this box as well from my lap. We'll come a little bit closer to the camera. This is glass cleaner. This is bubblegum scented, for those of you who are wondering what smell we're going to get there. Again, I apologise for the glare on the bottles. It's quite difficult with the metal bottles not to get that. And that, again, another 80s childhood smell there. That reminds me of everything bubblegum that was really bright blue that I ever ate in my youth, contrary to my family's wishes, because I have ADHD, and it made me run around a little bit, shall we say. So the last thing that we've got to open is the Bonner Fitz Cornwall, a lovely luxury looking black box. So we'll just peel this off. That glass cleaner, by the way, that's £10.99 a bottle. Just drop that lid down to the side of me. Now I'm opening this box and I'm actually quite surprised at what I'm seeing here. So we know the box has a minimum value of £65. We know that I've paid $39.99 for this box, and I know this product myself. So in the box here we have the product itself and a microfiber cloth for application purposes and wiping off. Just pop the box itself. What we have got is the Bonner Fitz ceramic zest. If I just tilt that a little bit, you can see the label there. Now this is ceramic wax from their website. It smells lovely and citrusy, but that itself is £39.99, right, guys? So what I've done there is I bought this, and I have these 3 bottles here for free, and these 2 bottles here for free. So the total value on that, just so we all know, just some very quick maths and a quick rundown of what we got in the box again. So we've got the Cockpit Detailer at 500ml, that's £11.99. We got the rim cleaner, the cola scented rim cleaner, that's £11.99. We got the gingerbread scented quick detailer, that's £11.99. We got the candy floss scented ceramic quick detailer, that's £13.99. We've got the bubblegum glass cleaner, that's £10.99. And finally, we got the ceramic wax, which is £39.99. That gives us, just off the top of my head, that gives us a total of £100.94 of products that we've paid £40 for. So definitely living up to that minimum value of £65 there. What I'm going to do in the description is I'm going to pop a link to the affiliate link to all of these products. I will pop the names of the products and their prices as well for you. And I'll also pop the affiliate links to all the kit we use for filming in the studio and when we're out and about. Overall, this is a great thing. We're going to show you some review videos of these as well later on, once my workshop's sorted out from winter being a bit of a disaster up there and making a little bit of a mess in the live cattle farm that I'm based from there. Thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment in if you have any opinions on Bonner & Fitz products, or if there's any other brands that you would like us to look at an unboxing video for. Thanks for your time, and we will see you on Shooting the Shift next week.